Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Honda YouTube channel. My name's Sam, the Internet Specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this brand new available Honda ZR-V Elegance. This is finished in a still night blue pearl. This is an unregistered car, brand new. So you'll be the first owner. If you were to order one now, you wouldn't get one of these till later in December. So this is excellent now that it's available immediately. You don't have to wait very long at all. It just needs a valet and to be registered and figure out how you're financing it, and then it's all sorted. We do also have an identical demonstrator as well, which will be available in a couple of months with a few thousand miles. But this is a brand new delivery mileage vehicle available now. I'll take you inside the car now. The Elegance is the standard spec, but you still get the digital dials. The 9-inch Honda Connect screen with Garmin navigation and the rear camera. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats. The seats are the full black cloth, which are very comfortable. Same in the rear. You've got 2 sets of ISOFIX points, and then you also do have a nice light headlining, so it's lovely, bright and airy in here as well. The ZR-V is based on the Civic hybrid platform, so that means you get the 2-litre self-charging hybrid powertrain, which produces 181 brake horsepower to the front wheels, so it's a really nippy vehicle whilst giving you excellent fuel economy as well. This is the boot. You've got a bit of space here, you've got your tyre inflation kit here, but of course this does come with the 5-year care plan, which is excellent. So if you finance this vehicle, Honda are giving you a £1,500 finance deposit contribution towards the ZR-V. On top of that, they're also including the 5-year care plan, which includes 5 years warranty, 5 years roadside assistance, and also the 5-year service plan. So that's excellent with the vehicle. You're covered. You don't have to pay for anything until 2030 on the car, so that's great. If you do have any questions about this available ZR-V Elegance, please don't hesitate to contact us. We can't get hold of any others in for this month. It will be next month, so if you're looking for a brand new car now, this is an excellent opportunity. Thank you for watching. Any questions, give us a call on 01539 760 370 and we'll be more than happy to help. We look forward to hearing from you very shortly.